Good evening. Welcome to my midweek recap and plan ahead for Apple here on Wednesday. Couple of trades to go over. First of all, 16 March 180 calls held over the weekend, closed out on the break below VWAP and looked like it was going to roll over at 202. Nice trade there. Left a lot on the table, just something I'm going to have to learn from to trail this 8 EMA up on those gaps above resistance. Into Tuesday, look for a breakdown play at 175 puts at 42. That failed. It closed me out at 36. Break above VWAP looked like it was going to continue higher, so I got in 182.5 calls here at 52. That failed, stopped me out at 42. So overall, a couple of small little losses there. Today, Wednesday, another very similar pattern emerged, which was a break above and consolidation above VWAP here. Got in 16 March 185 calls at 127. Took half of them off once price action looked like it was stalling out here at this previous high at 142. Stopped out the rest at 127 for a break even. Pretty much this week is almost it's been a little bit better than a wash. This trade over the weekend ended up working out fairly well. Now, going forward onto the trade plan for tomorrow, what I will be looking at is this chop zone that we're now in. Depending on what price action does on the open, it's kind of going to dictate what I'm looking at. If we open up in between these two levels in the dead center, I'm going to do absolutely nothing. Price action comes up here, puts in a reversal or a red pattern, some sort of consolidation and break below. I will be looking to short versus this level. Price action gaps up and pushes above 180.60. I have no problem chasing for a move higher versus a stop just below this level. And just the opposite down here. If price action opens up in the middle, again, do nothing. If it opens up low down here, consolidates, bounces around, starts to move up, I will trade long versus this low. Price action opens up and bounces around here and starts to push below, I will trade below. This will be a breakdown play for a move to 175. If it breaks above, I'll be looking for a move up to about 185, maybe over 2 or 3 trading sessions. So right now we're just kind of in the middle of a zone. I'm not going to do anything away from these two levels here. I don't want to get chopped up like I have already for a couple of positions. So far, that's pretty much all my trade plan for Thursday for Apple here. It's going to basically depend on the open. If it gaps down way below this level, may look for resistance here on a retest of this 178.30 area versus just above it. Again, target's going to be this 175, which I'll reevaluate and possibly look for a nice call entry because we are still at all-time highs. Maybe a reversal pattern, but until it actually confirms and starts to roll over with some strength, I'm going to still stay at least semi-bullish. This will be my trade plan for Thursday. Have a good evening and good luck.